Hello and welcome to another episode of Bolts and Boost. So today we're going to be working on the EVO, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be converting it to a full coil on plug kit. And I am getting this kit from NPboosted, and they're going to give you guys, my viewers, a 10% coupon code. All you got to do is type in Bolts and Boost. Bolts and Boost. My channel name. I'll put it on the screen for you just in case. And I am told that is site-wide. So let's get started. All right, so first things first, we're going to take this old, decrepit, aged Mitsubishi spark plug cover off. Now this is a plug-and-play kit. So obviously we're going to take the factory coil packs out, and then the harness is going to connect to these two connectors. And we're going to utilize the factory bolts. So it should be pretty straightforward and easy to do. It's going to look better, and it's going to be better. Not that this is necessarily bad, but a actual coil on plug is better than a wasted spark setup. So I'm excited. These are utilizing the Toyota style, pencil style coil packs. I think like Echo, Corolla, that type of thing, but they're more than sufficient. So let's go put these bad boys on. All right, so there's the beautiful real carbon fiber plate that we're going to adhere all of the coil packs to. This kit does come with everything, so it comes with the hardware to do that. So first I'm going to attach all the coil packs onto the carbon fiber plate, and then plug the wires in, and we should be good to go. All right, there's the first one in, and it's grabbing for sure. It's on there pretty good. So it's pretty good. It's a bolt-on affair, quote unquote. The only thing that I am adding is I'm adding a washer here and a washer on the carbon fiber side just to spread the pressure. So this plate stays in good shape for the most part. And I'm taking off the silicone rings that they come with because the bolts are not long enough to incorporate those in. So I might get longer bolts. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see how rattly, if any, it is. But they fit perfectly on the spark plug right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the other ones in. All right, there she is, all bolted in. The only qualm I have with this kit is there should have been 2 more washers per thing, so that's 8, plus a thicker, or 2 more, or like 2 more total. So 10 washers total, because this nut here started bottoming out because the factory nut is this big, but it has a way thicker base to go through. So 10 more washers. This kit is 100% bolt-on. So if you're going to do this, it's the cheapest by far, and I've had nothing but good experiences with NPboosted. And cheapest by far, all you got to do is add 10 washers, really. And you get 10% off if you use my my coupon code Bolts and Boost. So head on over and check this kit out. But I'm going to go ahead and wire it in and then fire it up. All right, so there it is, all bolted up, wired in. The kit did come with some zip ties. Hooray! So I'm going to zip tie everything, make it nice-ish, bolt this bracket down. But first, I'm going to test run it. Running good. I don't hear any misses. Awesome. Look how much better that looks. And performs, quote unquote, but it's just way cleaner. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just got back from a cruise in the EVO, and 2 major thumbs up for me. Did some pulls, did some highway driving, and this thing runs perfect and smooth. It is like so smooth. Loving this thing. The coil on plug kit is working fantastically. The kit is a bolt-on affair, with the exception of having 10 extra washers that are relatively the same size. I already got with my buddy and told him my experience, and I imagine that he's going to either fix the length of the bolts, which is actually a third-party company that is supplying it, or he's going to add another washer in. So you need 2 washers per coil, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 1 more for each mounting bolt here, and then you're good to go. That's it. Other than that, it was a easy install. Took me 20 minutes, if that. So super good kit. I highly recommend it, and it's definitely reasonably priced. That being said, I also picked up some EVO X wheels. Funny story. I've been looking for wheels for 3 months now, even before the EVO landed from Japan. These popped up. I bought them. Literally the next day, these popped up. So I bought 2 sets of EVO X wheels, and not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. I'm probably going to keep these for winter, these for summer, and sell the wheels and tires that are on the EVO now because they don't fit properly, and then I'll sell the spacers because I'm a OEM type of guy. Like, spacers have their place, don't get me wrong. I would just rather them not on my car. So that's the approach I'm going to take. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please give the video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. All right, everybody. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.